Good morning, my little kittens. Today we are going to make this makeup look because I don't know if you saw, but Johnny Depp has finally won the trial after 6 years with Amber Heard. After 6 years, guys, this is a long time, and this process, it was such a long time, honestly, and it's finally done. And I'm so happy that Johnny Depp finally won because it's justice here, finally. I don't know if you saw, but now Johnny Depp has won like 50 millions and Amber Heard basically won 2 millions. His career is basically untouched right now because I watched the whole trial and honestly, he loved her, like he really loved her, and you know when you love someone, shit happens. And now let's go to the makeup. So we're gonna start with the face cream as usual. And now I'm gonna blend this in my skin. Now I will use this foundation because this is a little bit more light than the other one. And today I don't need too much coverage. Now we're blending this. And I will take it a little bit here. It's not a very complicated makeup. It's just a pirate look. So it will be very simple to do. And also I'm wearing this because I'm trying to get that pirate look. Now we will gonna take some black eyeshadow and I'm gonna diffuse that into my crease. Now I will take a blending brush and I'm gonna blend this. Now I will take a little bit more eyeshadow and I will pack it here. This will be a little bit messy, but that's the point of this makeup because they were messy. Now I will put some black here too to intensify this. Now I will take this big brush and I'm gonna blend this everywhere. Now I will take a little bit more black eyeshadow and I will only put it here to intensify this area. Now let's add a little bit of red. Not in the makeup, just in the back. Now I will use a mascara. Mascara is on. Now I will try to make this a little bit better here. Now I will use a lip balm because they don't wear lipstick. And now I will brush my brows a little bit. And now we're done. So this is a very simple makeup and it's a very messy one, so if you don't really love to do like glam makeups, this is the perfect one for you. Sorry, my head just kind of wanted to go in another way, but this is like a DIY thing that I made today before filming, and it's just a cartoon. I painted it and you can already see that because it just wants to go somewhere and not in my way, but whatever. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job and now the cartoon is going down. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to get this cartoon out of my head.